Buongiorno paesani, it's time for another Parola Siciliana. Allora, referring to my video of my skit of the other day, you know, our parents used to hit us, they used to give us un timbolone, it was a big slap, una sberla. But they also, when they couldn't hit us with a slap and make it obvious, what did they used to do? Ne davano un puzzolone. That's your word for today. It means a pinch. Or in Italian we say un pizzico, un pizzicotto. It's a pinch, un puzzolone. So when they couldn't hit you, they would pinch you. Ti puzzoleavano. So that's the word for today. We are at 340 subscribers. My God, thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Un bacione a tutti. Please subscribe to Italiani di Montreal e amici on YouTube. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.